What if you could double your productivity with AI in just a few clicks? Meet Perplexity 2.0, the groundbreaking update that promises to revolutionize how we interact with artificial intelligence. As technology continues to evolve, the demand for smarter, faster, and more intuitive AI tools has never been greater. Perplexity AI, known for its cutting-edge capabilities, has taken a giant leap forward with its latest release, redefining how users harness AI for insights and productivity. What's new in Perplexity 2.0? Perplexity 2.0 introduces a host of powerful features designed to enhance user experience and deliver unprecedented efficiency. One of the most notable upgrades is the improved natural language processing (NLP) system. This enhancement ensures that the AI provides more precise and context-aware responses, making it ideal for tackling both simple and complex queries. With this advancement, users can rely on the tool for sharper insights and more relevant answers. Another significant improvement is its real-time analysis capability. This feature allows users to process data and generate insights instantly, which is invaluable for tasks requiring quick decisions or time-sensitive information. The ability to access immediate results eliminates delays and boosts productivity. Seamless integration with popular platforms like Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, and various APIs further enhances the functionality of Perplexity 2.0. Users can now work across multiple tools without the hassle of switching between applications. This interoperability ensures a smooth workflow, saving both time and effort. The user interface has also received a comprehensive overhaul. With a cleaner, more intuitive design, navigating through the platform is now effortless. These enhancements cater to both new users and seasoned professionals, ensuring a seamless experience for everyone. Perplexity 2.0 also introduces innovative features like AI-assisted brainstorming and customizable workflows. These tools are tailored to address specific user needs, making the platform highly versatile and suitable for a wide range of industries. How to use Perplexity's new features. Maximizing the potential of Perplexity. 2.0 begins with understanding its robust features, each designed to enhance productivity and streamline complex tasks. The improved Query Builder, for instance, is a standout tool for conducting advanced research. To use it effectively, start by entering your primary question or topic. From there, refine your query by adding filters, keywords, or specific parameters, allowing the AI to deliver highly relevant and detailed results, though tailored to your unique needs. This feature is particularly useful for tackling multifaceted subjects or deep diving into specialized areas. For team projects, the platform's real-time collaboration tools are indispensable. Begin by accessing the collaboration dashboard and inviting team members to join your session. With the ability to share research data, project insights, and progress updates instantly, collaboration becomes seamless. The built-in chat and annotation features facilitate discussions, allowing team members to exchange ideas, provide feedback, and stay aligned on goals. This functionality simplifies project management by streamlining task assignments and ensuring all participants remain on the same page. Additionally, Perplexity 2.0 offers extensive customization options to personalize your experience. Access these through the main menu to adjust preferences such as output format, tone, or level of detail. These settings ensure the platform aligns perfectly with your workflow, whether you need concise summaries or in-depth analysis. By saving these preferences, users can create a tailored experience that enhances efficiency and suits their individual needs. Explore these features and unlock the full potential of Perplexity 2.0 to elevate your research, collaboration, and productivity today. Real-world applications. The versatility of Perplexity. 2.0 makes it an invaluable tool across various fields, catering to diverse user needs with unmatched efficiency. For students and academics, it serves as a research powerhouse, delivering precise responses and performing real-time analysis to streamline the information gathering process. One graduate student shared how they completed an extensive literature review in record time, attributing their success to Perplexity's advanced capabilities. By significantly reducing research time, the platform enables students to focus on deeper analysis and learning. Professionals across industries also find immense value in Perplexity 2.0. Its ability to automate repetitive tasks such as data sorting, report generation, and email drafting allows users to redirect their efforts towards strategic, high-value activities. For instance, a marketing professional highlighted how the platform revolutionized their campaign analysis, leading to a dramatic reduction in workload and enabling them to achieve better results with less effort. Creative individuals like writers, designers, and entrepreneurs benefit from Perplexity's AI-assisted brainstorming tools, which help generate fresh ideas, refine concepts, and create engaging content quickly. A small business owner shared their success story, explaining how Perplexity 2.0 helped them craft compelling social media posts in minutes, saving valuable time while boosting audience engagement. By combining adaptability, precision, and innovative features, Perplexity 2.0 empowers users from all walks of life to achieve their goals faster and more effectively. Discover how this transformative tool can elevate your productivity and creativity today. Tips and hidden gems. To maximize your experience with Perplexity 2.0, take advantage of these tips and lesser-known features designed to enhance usability and efficiency. One standout feature is the voice input option, which allows users to dictate queries and commands hands-free. This functionality is ideal for multitasking or working on the go, ensuring you can interact with the platform without interrupting your workflow. Another valuable tool is the quick data export functionality. With just a few clicks, users can export insights and reports into various formats, including PDFs, spreadsheets, and presentation slides. This feature simplifies the process of sharing or presenting findings, ensuring information is readily available in the desired format. Delving into the advanced settings can further elevate your experience. These settings offer hidden customization options, such as enabling industry-specific terminology or adjusting priority response algorithms. By tailoring these options to your specific needs, you can optimize the platform's performance for your unique use cases. Lastly, mastering keyboard shortcuts is a game changer for efficiency. These shortcuts streamline navigation and operations, saving time and boosting productivity during tasks. By utilizing these tips and features, you can unlock the full potential of Perplexity 2.0, making it an indispensable tool for research, collaboration, and workflow management. Perplexity 2.0 is more than just an update. It's a revolutionary step forward in AI technology. Designed to redefine how we engage with AI, it offers faster research capabilities, smarter insights, and seamless workflow integration, enabling users to achieve their objectives with exceptional efficiency. Whether you're a student tackling assignments, a professional optimizing workflows, or a creative exploring new ideas, Perplexity 2.0 adapts effortlessly to your unique needs, making it an invaluable addition to your toolkit. By combining intuitive features with cutting-edge technology, Perplexity 2.0 enhances productivity and simplifies complex tasks, empowering users to reach new levels of innovation. Its adaptive design ensures it's suitable for a wide range of applications, bridging the gap between advanced AI capabilities and everyday usability. Don't miss the chance to explore this groundbreaking tool. Try Perplexity 2.0 today and experience the transformative power of AI-driven insights firsthand. We value your feedback. Let us know which features resonate most with you. Together, we can continue shaping the future of AI innovation, making it more accessible, efficient, and impactful for everyone. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.